Thanks for tuning in. I just want to make you guys aware of a serious theft problem in offices and how easy you can fix this problem and not fall victim to the bad guy. So pay close attention. Hey everybody, welcome back to Door and Lock Tips. And I want to show you something that you may have never thought about. You know, you have 3 drawers. And a lot of folks like to lock up in this bottom drawer. Ooh, a real fancy purse. All right, you leave that. You go to lunch. You lock this nice little purse up. Now it's all locked up. And you think, hey, everything's cool, right? Now, let's say you don't lock up these other killer little locks, right? You don't lock these up, and you leave that one locked. You got your purse in there, you think, hey, everything's cool, right? Watch how easy it is to get to this purse. All you got to do, and this is what the bad guys do, so I'm telling you to save you guys from theft. So you must lock up all these drawers. I just took that drawer out, and the thieves know how to do this, guys. So if you say, oh, I don't want to lock up these 2 other drawers, and you leave this bottom drawer, there goes your purse. Just like that. They reach in, they take this purse out, they put the drawer that you thought was so secure, everything was cool, right? They just take that, shove that bad boy back in, and you're out a purse. So I recommend, highly recommend, if you don't want to lose your valuables, because that's what happens. Everybody loses purses or files. So I come up on a job, and the first thing the folks want to do is lock up this bottom drawer. They say, you know, we put our files in there and other valuables. So I pretty much know they're going to be locking their purses up. But when I say, well, you got to lock up these other drawers, they go, oh, you know, I don't want to spend the money to lock these drawers. So usually they don't want any locks on these 2 drawers because, you know, these things are $200, $150, $100. They don't want to lock up these 2 drawers. But they don't realize how vulnerable they are to theft. All a person has to do is take that out. And look at, I can pull a purse in and out of there within seconds. So I'm trying to warn you folks at offices to always lock up these other drawers because it's so simple. If these aren't locked, for a thief to just take the drawer right out and they are in. I mean like nothing. And they know how to do this. They know all you do is you flip these little flippers and they're in. So does the same thing work for the other drawers? Well, let's find out. So we have, this one's self-lock, so that's really cool. Self-locks. So it's locked. So you can't make a mistake. But if you have this little other lock, this complex regulator lock, and you just put this bad boy in, and you don't have it locked like that, because a lot of people don't lock them. So its code is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. If they leave it down and they don't have that locked, you saw how simple it was. You just take this drawer out. And the same goes for this drawer. Let's say you lock this up, right? And you say, oh, everything's cool here, but let's say you didn't lock this top one. All they do is they take the drawer out. I'm pretending there's no lock here. We already know there's a lock here in the self latches, so that's cool, right? We've got security with this. And this lock is only 39 bucks. Okay, so now I get a kick out of that because I really didn't expect that thumb lock to work, fingerprint lock. So now I'm in that drawer. Even though it's locked, I mean totally locked, and this one's totally locked, I can get right in this drawer. In fact, let's put their purse back so they don't even know it. Oh, it's in the wrong drawer. Oh boy, big mistake there. All right, so that's how it works. They just take the drawer out. As simple as that. Look at, they just flip those things. We don't want them to do that. We don't want them to succeed in stealing your valuables. So please put locks on all your drawers. And you won't have this problem. They won't be able to get in these drawers. Look how simple it is. If the thing's unlocked, all they do is they take the drawer out, guys. This is so sad. Because I hear this all the time. They go, we don't know how they got in there. So all they do is they take the drawer out. And we just put it back so nobody thinks we were in there. But that's how that works. It's quite sad. So no matter what locking system, if you have one on the side and this, if you didn't lock this drawer or this drawer, you can get right into the cabinetry through taking these drawers out. Hopefully this has been helpful, guys, because I hear this sad story on a daily basis. And we don't want you guys to be ripped off. I sure don't. So I always suggest, hey, if you're going to lock up the bottom file cabinet, you got to lock up this second drawer on top of that. And then they say, well, we're going to put safety things that are in this drawer too. What do? I say, lock this one too. Lock all three. It isn't that I want to make a lot of money on them. I just want them to be safe. So lock all the drawers, especially the one above. I mean, you theoretically could have gotten away with just locking this one. And I can't get to that purse because how do I get in there? I mean, we're locked up, right? But if this one doesn't have a lock, it's this simple. And trust me, I'm not the first one to see this. This is a common problem. And I just reach in, and they do this real sly, man. Because nobody knows who took it. They're always like, I don't know who took it. I feel so violated. Well, I know who took it. A really slick thief. And they know how to do it because they just do. I think it's in the thief handbook. So this is nothing new, I'm telling you. And I'm not making you more vulnerable. I'm making you aware. So please subscribe to my channel. Tell all your friends. And I'll have more door and lock tips like this in the future. Oh, that's cool. 39 bucks. For the home, I mean, I can rip this thing off right now, but for the home, I think the kids will have a blast. So subscribe to my channel and tell your friends, ring that bell, and I have more door and lock tips. Thanks again. Well, thank you guys for watching my channel. So the tip for tonight is lock all three drawers. I want you to be safe and not lose your items. Thanks again, guys.